Hi guys, so today is going to be a DIY protein treatment with Ambunu and wheat protein. So stay tuned for the video and I hope you like it. So I'm going to use 250 grams of water, okay, so it's a little bit more but it's fine. Now I'm going to use hydrolyzed protein. So this is protein from wheat protein. Hydrolyzed protein are better because the protein are tinier and they can attach better to your hair shaft to repair your hair. So this is hydrolyzed protein from wheat protein, also called phytokeratin. Okay, so I'm going to use around 13 grams, so it's going to be 5% of the total preparation. So hydrolyzed protein dissolve better in cold water. This is why I'm using cold water right now. Okay, so that's around 15 grams for 260 grams of water. It's around 5% protein. You see it's starting to dissolve already. So I'm gonna let it infuse and then we're going to add the Ambunu for the moisturizing effect of the Ambunu, the conditioning effect of the Ambunu, and the washing effect of the Ambunu. So it's going to be a protein treatment and at the same time a moisturizing treatment and washing treatment. Okay, now it's completely dissolved, so we're going to add the Ambunu. So this is the star of the show. Our customer loves Ambunu. It is grown in Africa, in Chad, and it is amazing for your hair, girl. Please get your pack of Ambunu. You won't regret it. People are addicted to it, so do not hesitate and support your African people. So I think I'm gonna add around 3 tablespoons of Ambunu. Yeah, because for 500 milligram usually I do 4 or 5, but right now I'm gonna do 3, and I'm gonna let it infuse well to get the gooey effect. So usually I use Ambunu with hot water, but because this is cold water, I'm gonna let it infuse for a longer period of time, maybe 20 minutes or something. Okay guys, so we're going to use this on her hair. So she's straightening her hair often, so we're going to try. So this is why she needs a protein treatment today, so I hope it's gonna work on her. So we're going to straighten her hair, like, because she used a lot of heat, and at the same time it's going to wash her hair and moisturize your hair. So guys, I ended up adding more Ambunu because I want it to be more gooey. You see how Ambunu detangles her hair straight away? You see guys how her curls are popping? This is Ambunu and also the protein repairing her hair. Okay, so now we're going to detangle. You're gonna see how easy it is to detangle with Ambunu. Even if it's easy, you always start from the bottom, okay? And then you work your way up. And you see it is super easy to detangle. And look how her hair is super shiny. Wow, you have gorgeous hair, darling. It's really nice. so easy to detangle.
So we are finished doing her Ambunu protein treatment. Her curls are popping, they are amazing. Like if you have like relaxed hair and you need the protein treatment sometimes and you want to stay natural, using natural products, so Ambunu, it's a great solution with protein. And if you are the type who straighten your hair often and you need your curls back, so Ambunu with protein will also really help you. It was really easy to apply. There is absolutely no resistance when you brush it. It's like amazing. What did you think of it, darling?
Oh, it's really good.
Was good?
Yeah, it feels really good.
Yeah, she already used Ambunu on herself, man. This is not the first time she's using Ambunu, but today we wanted to do the protein treatment because she has been straightening her hair, you know, and now her curls are amazing. So she wants to, you can keep this in, guys, but she wants to rinse it off because we used some protein, so she wants to rinse it off, and then she's going to use maybe a leave-in or oil to style her hair. Okay guys, so I hope you liked this video and I see you in another video. Bye bye.